Hi, Nana Buddy. I love you.
What's your name?
Cooper.
How old are you?
3.
3 years old. Do you know who Nana Betty is? Which one? Yay! Very good. That's when you were a little boy. Little bitty baby. Okay, you want to say anything else?
Hey.
Look at the camera. You want to say anything else to Nana?
Hey, Nana. We're next to somebody's house at the beach.
That's right.
And that's my mommy and daddy on a vacation.
On a vacation? Yeah.
And am I sleeping in the car?
Are you sleeping in the car? No, you weren't made yet.
Well, where am I?
You were still just a twinkle in my eye. Or your dad's eye.
I was still in your tummy?
Not quite yet. Uh-oh, I hear your baby brother. We better go now. Tell Nana bye.
Bye, Nana.
You blow her a kiss?